This is Carrie Sanders in Panama City, where cell service is limited, and in some places the only way to get around is on foot. Crystal Matthews walked 3+ miles, only to end up at this flattened marina. She last heard from her sister Gay and 19-year-old niece Sarah before the worst of the storm.
She texted me a little afternoon yesterday, and that's the last I heard from her. She said large limbs were landing on the house.
Survivors still coping with their life-threatening choice to stay put.
Don't do it. Get out.
You're lucky that you're here then?
Well, I kind of feel so, yeah. It's an encounter. It's really an encounter.
Hurricane Michael ripped off roofs, destroying entire neighborhoods. Some already talking about rebuilding, and research from this wind lab could make a difference. In a side-by-side test, houses built to code and those with extra reinforcements handled hurricane-force winds with decidedly different results.
Properties that were built to code failed. Cat 4 into Cat 5 storms, they don't have much experience. There's just not that much experience, so it's a learning curve every time it happens.
Tonight, with so much lost, Crystal Matthews is still looking for her sister and niece.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.